Most people believe you need thousands to start building wealth, but what if the journey could begin with just $100? In this video, we explore how traders and investors in 2025 are transforming small amounts into serious capital through smart, strategic moves. This isn't hype. It's data, discipline, and a plan. The ambitious $100 to $1,000 journey, a roadmap for investors and traders. Turning $100 into $1,000 is an ambitious yet achievable financial goal if approached with discipline, strategy, and a deep understanding of the markets. This journey requires a combination of investing and trading strategies, risk management, and consistent learning. It's not just about luck or high-stakes gambles. It's about leveraging the power of compounding, diversification, and timing. In this video, we'll explore the key principles and actionable steps that can guide you on this transformative financial path. Building a strong foundation: mindset, goals, and risk management. Before diving into strategies, it's crucial to establish the right foundation. Begin by setting clear, realistic goals and defining your risk tolerance. This journey will take time, and there will be setbacks along the way. Develop a disciplined mindset and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term wins. Risk management is non-negotiable. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always use stop-loss orders when trading. Diversify your portfolio to minimize exposure to any single asset class or market sector. Remember, successful investors and traders prioritize capital preservation over aggressive gains. Investing strategies: compounding and long-term growth. Investing is the cornerstone of wealth creation, and the power of compounding is your greatest ally. Start by allocating a portion of your capital to long-term investments in diversified assets such as index funds, ETFs, or blue-chip stocks. These instruments offer stability and steady growth over time. Reinvest dividends and earnings to accelerate compounding. For those willing to take on higher risk, consider growth stocks or sectors like technology and renewable energy, which have significant upside potential. Patience is key. Allow these investments to mature and grow over years, not weeks. Trading strategies: active participation and short-term gains. While investing focuses on the long term, trading allows you to capitalize on short-term market movements. This requires a different skill set, including technical analysis, chart reading, and understanding market psychology. Day trading, swing trading, and options trading are popular strategies, but they demand consistent effort and a well-defined plan. Use tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to identify entry and exit points. Start small, track your performance, and refine your strategy over time. Importantly, never trade emotionally. Stick to your plan and avoid chasing losses. Combining strategies and staying consistent. The journey from $100 to $1,000 is not about choosing between investing and trading. It's about combining both approaches effectively. Allocate a percentage of your capital to long-term investments while using the remainder for active trading. This balanced approach allows you to benefit from the stability of investing and the potential high returns of trading. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and global events that can impact your portfolio. Most importantly, remain consistent. Regular contributions, disciplined execution, and continuous learning will be your keys to success. With the right mindset, strategies, and dedication, the $100 to $1,000 journey is within reach. It won't happen overnight, but with persistence and smart decision-making, you can turn this ambitious goal into a reality. Let's get started.